Welcome to another Lawn Fawn video. Today we are so excited to be showing you everything from our Spring 2026 release in this overview video. This release is full of things perfect for spring, Easter, Mother's Day, and beyond. We are so excited to be showing you all of these new stamps, dies, stencils, and more in this video, and we just featured all of these products in our February Inspiration Week on our blog. We also have intro videos for all of these new products available now here on YouTube. And the awesome thing is that everything in this video in our Spring 2026 release is available on February 19th. So we thought it would be fun to give you a peek at everything in this awesome release. So let's go ahead and check it out. First, we're going to take a look at our I Like Big Butterfly stamp sets, its coordinating dies and coordinating coloring stencils, and also at the new Henry's Build a Sentiment butterfly. This set is so cute. These butterflies have my heart. They just make me smile every single time I look at them, and the Henry's Build a Sentiment helps you build the most adorable butterfly-themed sentiments for these cute butterflies. They are awesome and interactive cards. They're great for spring, for Mother's Day, for any general kind of happy card. Now here is our stamp and stencil Easter eggs, and this is the first time we have ever combined a stamp and a stencil in one set. The stencil helps you color in the Easter eggs so that it really feels like you are decorating Easter eggs on Easter every single time you stamp one. The cards with these turn out so cute, and I love those Easter egg designs so much. They're really fun for scenes, cards, tags, anything you can think of. Next up, we have our Mole Lot of Flowers stamp sets with its coordinating dies and coordinating coloring stencils. This set is so cute because you can tuck different things into the mole's wheelbarrow, making it perfect for Mother's Day, spring, or just fun general cards. This is All the Garden Hats, and it gives you cute garden hats in different styles and sizes that are perfect for so many of our critters. These critters look so cute with the little garden hat, and it brings them right into spring. And speaking of all the sets, this is All the Grasses with its coordinating dies and coloring stencils, and it gives you cute grasses in different styles that you can layer into your scenes to really fill them in and just add that perfect extra touch. I love these little grasses so much. Next up, we have our Have a Mice Flight stamp, die, and coloring stencil, and this little mouse in the paper airplane is just too cute. This is our Build a Wheelbarrow set where you can build a wheelbarrow and then you can fill it with all of your favorite things. In this set, we've included some cute greenery and flowers, but you can also shop your stash and find adorable little die-cut veggies or even a fun bunny, or you could stamp and layer in some cute stamped images too. We have a brand new treat box, and it's our flower treat box, and this box is so cool. It has a really fun hexagon shape, and it's really cool because the top flower is the closure for the box. I think these are so pretty. You can do it in a softer pastel look or a more bright and bold tropical feel. And here you can see how it opens up. You just pull on the petals. That opens up the box. You can fill it with all sorts of cute little treats or a little gift, and you just press down into the center, and it locks right back up. Isn't that so cool? Now we have our brand new Build a Critter spring accessories. So these spring accessories go with our original Build a Bunny and our Build a Fox, and it brings them right into spring. This is the latest in our series of outfits and costumes for the Build a Bunny and the Build a Fox. So we've got these fun little spring accessories. We have our original outfits here, and then we also have things perfect for Halloween, for Christmas, for winter and Valentine's, and now spring too. And here's a look at the super cute spring accessories. I love that you can dress the bunny and fox up as a chicken, as a cute little flower, and also as an Easter egg too. These cards turn out so cute and they just make me smile. The googly eyes on there is just awesome. Next up, we have our Magic Iris Butterfly Wreath add-on. This butterfly wreath is amazing on its own, and it can also be paired with the Magic Iris. And here you can take a look at what the cards look like with this. Oh my gosh, isn't that so pretty? So this is the wreath used on its own in a rainbow style and more of a monarch butterfly style. And then of course you can layer it over a Magic Iris to get this super gorgeous interactive card with that butterfly wreath all around it. Now next up we have our Folksy Sprig border. I love this border. It's so pretty and delicate, and you can create backgrounds out of it or have it be a little accent on your card. Here you can see we've created a beautiful background, and here it's a little bit more of an accent. It almost feels like a special ribbon that you've added onto your cards. This is our Scripty Thinking of You, and then also our Scripty Thinking of You outline add-on. You can use the Thinking of You on its own, or you can layer it on to the outline, and I love this bold sentiment. It looks so gorgeous with our new stencils and the new backdrops, and I think it's just so pretty. You can even use that outline die to create a cool shaker window. Next up, we have our stitched scallop oval stackables. These scalloped ovals are so pretty and they have that gorgeous stitched design. It's a great way to feature a die cut sentiment or a cute critter or anything else that you might want to add onto your cards. This is our big blossom backdrop portrait. This is one of my favorite backdrop dies ever. These flowers are so much fun. You can die cut them out of cardstock, you can ink blend them, you can marker them, you can cut them out of pattern paper. There's so many cool ways to use them. And we of course also have the landscape style too. These flowers are great on their own with a sentiment, but they're also a great place to put your favorite critters, whether it be butterflies or that cute new mole or little birds or anything that you can think of. You can even create cool shaker cards with them too. Next up, we have our butterfly background stencils. This is a two-step stencil that helps you create the most beautiful butterfly backgrounds. You can do bold rainbows or beautiful pastels. You can use them with your favorite pastes and sparkle pastes, or you can even create cute backgrounds for cute scenes with those adorable I Like Big Butterflies. Next up, we have our basket weave stencils. This is also a two-step stencil that helps you create this really beautiful basket weave pattern. You can layer this onto an actual basket like we've done here, or you can create gorgeous backgrounds with an Eastery feel. You can do it on the diagonal or straight up and down, and both of them look amazing. They look beautiful tone on tone and in contrasting colors too. This is our brand new paper collection, Blissful Blossoms. It's so beautiful and perfect for spring. We have it in both a 12 by 12 and a 6 by 6 size. For the 12 by 12 papers in the collection pack, there are 2 of each of the designs, or if there's a color you really love, we have a pack of 12 of just that one color. In the 6 by 6 pad, the designs are reduced by about 50%, so you can get 2 different looks depending on what you're going for. We have a more soft pastel floral on the front, and then this nice, more bold vine on the back, and they're really great to mix and match with each other, and then also all the colors look so nice together too. Here you can see the 6 by 6 pad, and in the 6 by 6 pad you get 3 of each of the designs for a total of 36 sheets. And then here is a comparison between the sizes of the 6 by 6 pad and the 12 by 12. And again, I love both. It just depends on the look I'm going for on that project. We have 2 brand new washi tapes. We have our vertical pastel rainbow stripes and also our grassline washi. That grassline washi is the lawnfawn grassline, and it is so super cute. And then those rainbow stripes, oh my gosh, I love them so much. And they're really, really great on cards, envelopes, etc. And here you can see how we combined it with our brand new stencil. We also have 5 new colors of cardstock. So we have blush cardstock, peach, then we have minty fresh, we have mist, and lavender. Each of these packs have 10 sheets of each color, but we also have a multi-pack called macaron where you get 2 of each color, so you could try out all of these brand new colors. They are so beautiful, so soft, and they mix and match with our other cardstocks so well. We are so excited because we now have 3D foam squares and 3D foam strips. In each of these packs you get 2 sheets. So here you can see the foam strips. These are the perfect size for layering behind our backdrops. You also get 2 in the small 3D foam squares, and you get 2 in the large 3D foam squares. And I love these so much because I love to pop everything up on my cards. Every release, we have been going back to older favorites and giving them a coloring stencil. So now we have a coloring stencil for our Just Plain Awesome stamp set. We've also created a coloring stencil for our A Bug Deal stamp set, which is one of my all-time faves. And then with our butterfly theme, we've also created a coloring stencil for the Butterfly Kisses stamp set too. And I love that we're able to go back and create these awesome stencils for these favorite sets. And so that is our Spring 2026 release. We had so much fun during this Inspiration Week, and we hope you guys did too. We're really looking forward to sharing lots more inspiration with this release on our blog and on our YouTube channel. And we are so excited that all of these products are available on February 19th. I also just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for all of your wonderful comments and for watching our videos and for being absolutely amazing. We appreciate you guys so much, and we can't wait to see what you're going to create with these brand new products because, oh my goodness, that is the very best part. We absolutely love seeing your incredible and amazing creations. We are so grateful for you guys, and we are fluttering by to wish you a beautiful and crafty day. So thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!